Are you looking for the best miter saws for crown molding in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best miter saws for crown molding that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DEWALT DWS780 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. The DEWALT DWS780 12-inch provides a distinct cutline blade for a hassle-free adjustment to provide you with accuracy and better visibility. The 15 amp motor is of 38 RPM, which provides the miter saw with increased power, thereby expanding its longevity. More than 75% of dust is absorbed by the DEWALT dust collector, which is quite efficient. The tall fences support crown molding of 7/2 inches, base molding of 6/3 divided by 4 inches. It has customizable stainless steel plate which consists of 10 points marking for better precision during cuts. It is said to function the most when the meter is adjusted 60 degrees on the right and 50 degrees on the left, respectively. It has various other features: large bevel and cam lock for accuracy, compact size for mobility and easy stockpiling, and XPS LED light. Our experienced users commented that it is the ideal saw for carpenters, framers, cabinet makers, and to various other professionals. They are satisfied with the work and called it to be a workhorse which can withstand a serious workload. Up next in the 4th place is the Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD. The Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD has axial gliding system that equips the saw to make wider cuts with exceeding alignment. The saw is compact sized to provide you with more space at the workplace. It has a cutting capacity 14 inches horizontal, 61/2 inches vertical, and 61/2 inches crown molding. It is a modifiable GCM12SD that delivers a consistent bevel and miter scale. It is packed with an efficient dust collector to ease up the cutting of dense materials. The experienced and professionals have said it to be quite easy to use. That's why any homeowner can use it, as it has a clear lower guard which provides increased visibility. They also said that anyone deciding on brittle but solid maple inlays or getting excited to cut down railroad tiles should be the blade accompanying you on the journey. Not only do the hobbyists applaud its power, but also the professionals who call it a wild saw. So what are you waiting for? Make this an addition to your collection at the soonest. The 3rd product on our list is the Hitachi Cone Dual Bevel 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. The Hitachi Cone Dual Bevel delivers 2 efficient systems. One a compact slide and the other is a laser marker, which leads to maximum cutting efficiency. The 15 amp motor can easily saw down any tough materials. It has a fence height of 51/8 inches to cut on 71 divided by 2 inches crown molding. The saw have 0-50 degrees on right, 0-45 on the left for adequate flexibility. There are markings available on the bevel scale for quick reading. It comes with a smooth and flexible handle for better grip. The most amazing is the laser marker feature, which enables even a novice to make the perfect cut. Our experienced and professionals said to be an upgrade of any other miter saw model in the market. Some said the saw glades to make effortless cuts, while others said it to be a beast saw. If you are still sitting and thinking of other saws, then you are missing out on the joy of having such an efficient machine like Hitachi. Go and grab one at the earliest or click away to make it yours. Second on our list is the Craftsman V27-1 divided by 4-inch sliding miter saw kit. The Craftsman V20 is of 800 RPM, which can easily cut through heavy lumber, baseboard, and hardwood. The saw is cordless and is provided with a rechargeable battery. The battery gets quickly charged, 12V or 20V batteries included. It is very lightweight, adding to ease of portability and greater mobility. It has an LED light, a dust collector bag, and a Velcro hose clamp. Our experienced and professionals said that in comparison to plug-in saw, it is less powerful, and there has to be a balance between how much power you have and what speed you want. If you are looking for a heavy-duty saw to cut baseboard inside corners and from houses and hardwood floors, it is not the saw for you. The saw is brilliant for providing the convenience of use due to being cordless in remote locations. It is perfect for building tree forts or decks. However, the long-lasting battery power and convenience of using it anywhere for any type of work make it a must-have one for your workshop or on your list of favorites. If you are looking for an effortless battery-powered, cordless machine, then you are at the right place. Make a purchase. Finally, the top product on our list is the Genesis GMS1015LC 15 amp 10-inch compound miter saw. The Genesis GMS1015LC is a 15 amp machine that comes with a laser which makes curing with great alignment possible. The laser guides your vision and hand to make the most precise of cuts on your material. The saw comes with AAA batteries to power the laser feature on the saw. It has an electric brake that enables you to stop the saw at any second and has an arbor lock facilitating the ease of changing blades. It comes with a dust bag and has an aluminum base for ease of movement and accuracy. It is built to be versatile, durable, and long-lasting. The bonus point is that it has a 2-year warranty card. Our experienced and professionals said that 60-tooth blade accounts for great cuts and you will be saving yourself from spending another coin on a new blade. The experts suggest it to a reliable machine and thus encourages you to make a purchase. There is no doubt that it won't be your go-to machine in a short period. Your clueless scroll through miter saws now comes to an end. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.